To please stay on with us. We have some more information flowing our way regarding the various portfolios. Now, source-based update is coming in that senior Congress leader Priyank Kharge is likely to be given the crucial home ministry in the DK Shivkumar-led Karnataka cabinet. According to sources, Priyank Kharge, son of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, is expected to handle the home portfolio, which includes critical departments like law and order and internal security. Let's in fact go across to his statement as well.
ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋವನ್ನ ಹಂಚಿಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ. ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸಬೇಕು. ಪಕ್ಷದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಜನರ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಥಾನಮಾನನೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅಲ್ಲ. ವಿರೋಧದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾರು ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಾನೂನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನೂನು ಚೌಕಟ್ಟು, ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಅದನ್ನ ಭೇದಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ರಿ ಫೈಲ್ಗಳು ಇದೇನಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಯತ್ನಾಳ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ. By whom? Opposition will do anything they want. Let them. Okay, let's do one thing. Let Mr. Vijayendra and Mr. Ashok give way for a lady. All right. Let RSS make Sarsanchalak a woman, and then let them talk to us. Thank you. ನೋಡಿ, BK ಹರಿಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರು ಸೇವಾದಳದಿಂದ NSU ಇಂದ ಸೇವಾದಳದಿಂದ ಬಂದಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಟ್ಟಾಳು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್. ಅವರ ಐಡಿಯಾಲಜಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಲಜಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಹಲವಾರು ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಲಂಕರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು AICC ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ, ಅವರ ಗುಜರಾತಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಸ್ಸಾಂ ತನಕ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಹರಿಯಾಣದಿಂದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ತನಕ ಅವರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗೂ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಅನುಭವಗಳೇನಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಷಯ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತ ಇವತ್ತು PCC ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡುವ.
My colleague Belly continues to be live with us on this broadcast, who will help us understand these portfolio allocations that are source-based. So Belly, obviously we are also getting to understand that Priyank Kharge is likely to get the home portfolio. Now this is very critical because this deals with law and order in the state, something that has been in controversy in the past as well. Big shoes to fill for him, and obviously him being the son of Mallikarjun Kharge, who played a vital role in the entire switch up that happened in Karnataka politics as well. Belly.
Absolutely, Shivani. So Priyank Kharge is one of the youngest in the Congress senior ranks, and he blends political inheritance with a distinct identity of his own. Being a son of the AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge, the three-time MLA, is known for his sharp attacks on BJP, especially the RSS, and strong advocacy on the constitutional values and prominence in the technology sector. So he has been, he would be likely be given the home portfolio, is what is being heard from the sources. Like what we are gathering is that the AICC leadership has kind of recommended his position for the home department to curb down communal voices in the state of Karnataka, with the home department going under him, is what we are gathering. However, this is not a confirmed, this is a source-based information, but the inclination of this department going to any ministers for that matter, the choice would be Priyank Kharge, is what we are getting to hear. So in all likelihood, Priyank Kharge would be heading the Home Ministry, which would be the entire enforcement force under him. along with the transfers of the IPS and IPS leadership is what we are at this point in time gathering, Shivani.
Absolutely. Please to stay on with us, Pelly. According to a source-based update, Yatindra Siddaramaiah, the son